Science and Technology Minister Michael Lobo has battled for 2 to 3 casinos each in Chapora and Zuari rivers. He said high-end tourists come to these casinos. He justified them on the basis of employment and state revenue. He said 6 casinos pays rupees 40 crores each for the ship itself. They pay GST on each ticket, renewal fees, plus they pay excise and for licenses of food and drugs and pollution control. Every casino employs 400 plus employees, Lobo stated. He also said that the hotel owner who had leased the La Calypso Hotel to Hotel Majestic was trying to take repossession of the hotel without refunding the deposit of rupees 9.5 crores to Majestic. I am not against casinos, but I am against entry of Goans into casino, Lobo said.
In a small feeder boat to the ship, stay on the ship for 2-3 hours. So it's a unique experience. Now there are some people who are opposing this. And opposition astelets. In a democratic country like India, there will be opposition, and we have to also understand that it is also helping to the unemployment problem. It is also supporting the government treasury, where I still remember our ex-chief minister Manohar Parrikar said that we don't require this money for the state treasury. But I am just saying the opposite side of it. Today, this industry is helping the state treasury also to run. It's part of the income of the state treasury, and the money is not just small, it is quite big in numbers. So 40 crores जे शिपाचे हा पळय ते खूप जाता. 100 ships आमच्यो. Plus there is other tax in the way of GST. Every ticket which is sold ताका GST वयता. मागीर ताका every year renewal fees आहा आमचे हेचे एक्साइजाचे सेपरेट आहा, फूड एंड ड्रग्साचे सेपरेट आहा, pollution control board separate आहा. So plus there are, every ship is employing around 400 plus employees, which is well, some are Indian, some are Goans, but it is finally employment to the people of India, and we need to understand that this industry cannot be just stopped overnight. And I would say that other places which is there, we have a beautiful river Chapora, we have a river Zuari. I know those MLAs are opposing because people are opposing, but I would give suggestions to put 2-3 casinos on both sides. I know they will get angry on me, but still I am making this statement. It will help revive the economy of the state, the treasury of the government, the tourism will flourish. High-end tourists also will come. High-end tourists also comes for casino. Let me make a very categorical statement that जे हेका येतात कॅझिनो खेळपाक ते लो टुरिस्ट न्हय, ते हाय एंड टुरिस्ट, एंड प्रॉपर मेकॅनिझम ऑन दिस कॅझिनोज नीड्स टू ऑल्सो टू बी वर्कड आउट. दॅट इज गेमिंग कमिशनर जो आता नेमला तेजे फंक्शनींग आनीक जावपाक जाय, एंड नो चिटींग बिजनेस शुड बी ऑन कॅझिनो. Like people who have to get money once they win, they have to get. They get now. They entered the 5-star hotel on the instructions of the old owner of the hotel. That is Kaushal Khanna. Kaushal Khanna wants to take possession of the hotel without paying the deposits. Then so agreement sopla. I also tried to mediate between them to finish that problem earlier. आणि 1.5 महिन्या पयलीं त्यांची जॉयंट मिटींग बसून केल्ली, आणि द अवॉर्ड ऑफ द कोर्ट और कोर्ट वर्डिक्ट जे आहा और आर्बिट्रेटर वर्डिक्ट ऑल्सो विच इज देयर, इट क्लियरली सेज दैट 9 crore 50 lakhs deposit which is there, which was given by Majestic Hotel to them, have to be refunded back. So ते रिफंड करून आसतना तेणें सोडपाचें न्हू हॉटेल. So he can only pay more and more monthly rent. He is eligible to pay only rent and run the place till he pays his 9 crore 50 lakhs. So now 9 crore 50 lakhs of Harikori now, and he brings about 50 boys and some ladies and enters the hotel premises, which is again becomes a trespass. So they are all arrested. 10 days police custody, remand is given to them, which is very good by the honorable judge. of the Sessions Code, and such strong message should go across Goa that you just cannot enter somebody's place because there are guests inside, there are tourists inside, there is money inside, there is casino being run, which is finally giving employment to the boys and girls of Goa, plus revenue generation for the state economy, state treasury. So such incidents should not happen. I am not against the casinos. I was always against Goans going inside in the casino, which is there in other countries also, not states, countries. The Stanik Munis jo tinga asta, Rauta, teka entry asna, casino. Casino is only part of the tourism industry in those countries. So which should be replicated in Goa. I'm not saying that we want a lot of casinos, but definitely the ships which are there in River Mandavi is a attraction. It's a different type of a adventure for tourists who come to Goa. It's an adventure. So when they go inside, they need not gamble. 2,000 रुपया किती ते फारीक कर उडे जाता भितर वच तुका लंच हा थिंगा तुका डिनर हा थिंगा तुका एंटरटेनमेंट हा थिंगा म्युजीक हा थिंगा